Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix PayPal eBay checkout not working. So first of all, open up this page in your web browser and check its server status. Sometimes it can happen due to server issues. In case you find a temporary outage, wait for some time and try again later. But if you experience no outage here and still encounter this issue, then what you need to do is go ahead and clear your browser cache. If you're a Chrome user, simply hold down Ctrl, Shift, and Delete key on your keyboard. A pop-up window will open up. Simply select All Time in the box next to Time Range. Then checkmark all the boxes and tap on Clear Data. Once you're done with it, check if the issue is resolved. But if you still encounter the issue, then what you need to do is go ahead and try using a different web browser. Sometimes specific browsers cause problems for online services. If you're having trouble with Chrome, try Firefox, Safari, etc. If that doesn't work, then you need to contact PayPal customer support. Well, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.